Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes for Thursday, the 13th of December here on Share Talk. Starting off with an old favourite, Angus Energy, with a decent move yesterday with the solid green candle up to 14 pence. The view at this stage is that at least while we're above 12 to 12.5 pence, the top of a rising trend channel from as long ago as February could be hit at 18 pence. Next up is Lonmin, which is not really a bulletin board type stock, but one that I've got in my sights at the moment. Still trying to see whether this can break the 200-day moving average at 48 pence. Looks quite solid at the bottom of this rising trend channel from May, but obviously this is Lonmin, not a normal stock. Two scenarios: an end-of-day close above the 200-day line, or 50 pence, which is the initial intraday high for December. Could then take the shares up to 70p. Stop loss obviously back below 45. So decent risk reward if nothing else on this situation. Next up, Oilex, where it seems that people on Twitter are willing it up rather hysterically, one might say. But the moment 45.45 is the block on progress. We had a spike through that today, and it really is worth waiting for that to be broken before one targets retest of 0.7. The other scenario, the other way forward would be to wait for any dips towards the 50-day line, currently at just under 0.3 pence. Both the 50-day and 200-day moving average is rising, so we should see a long-awaited retest of last month's resistance relatively soon. Next up, a stock which I've interviewed a couple of times already, Predator Oil and Gas. The big condition here on the technical side was that the shares would break 8 pence, which they've done. They have done over the last 24 hours quite well, but maybe a little bit more emphatic. Maybe a weekly close might be more in order, and if we do get a weekly close above 8 pence, then the target here as high as 14 pence at that May resistance line projection. Sound Energy is a request after the battering that the shares have got over the recent past. Very disappointing, the situation in terms of the share price. There's a possibility that if we break this line of resistance from November at 15 pence, then there might be a little bit of a run up towards 20. But with that massive gap to the downside in November, one always has to be very wary of any rallies in this particular situation. Another falling knife situation, which is looking a little bit better now, is Thomas Cook. Got a triangle formation here from late November, 26 pence at the floor of the triangle and 32 at the top. End of day close above 32 could take the shares up towards the 50-day moving average area, maybe 40 to 40 pence or so over the following couple of sessions. Nice bullish divergence there, or in terms of the RSI, a higher low, decent higher low there for the RSI, so that could propel Thomas Cook a bit higher over the next few days. That's it from me. More updates tomorrow.